Right, so this is my absolute favorite here at our stand in Geneva. So this is our new Aventador SVJ Roadster. So that is really the pinnacle of the Aventador range. It is the open version of our fastest car on the Nürburgring Nordschleife. And look at the car, it is really combining a fantastic color, bronze color, matte, with a perfect interior, white leather, with black Y-shapes, carbon fiber. So, I mean, first of all, also, of course, it's clear that the Aventador is following, or it is defining our design DNA perfectly. And of course, the SVJ version is the car that is, in terms of technology and design, on the top, on the top level. So we have a complete new, impressive front end, but also when you look at the car in side view, I'm always saying, I call it high performance design, but when you look at the front wing down there, but also at the impressive rocker panel here, you can clearly see that we took inspiration on jet fighters, because these are really fast machines, and that seemed for us, for the designers, a fantastic inspiration source for the design of our new Aventador SVJ Roadster. But let's take a look at the rear as well. Because this is for us, also here again the sexy part of the car. Because also here we are using a Y shape, an Y shape, so you get a glimpse of the engine, of the fantastic V12 engine. But there's also a very cool technical function. So the Y shape here is housing this air inlet, and this air inlet is the opening for the airstream that is running through this pillar here. And then the wing is a hollow wing, it's Formula One technology. So the airstream is following towards the outside, and then depending on the speed of the driver and depending on the corner, we can use also here the aerodynamical effect for aero vectoring. So on fast corners, it is absolutely increasing the downforce and helping the driver to slide through the corners. Then of course also here MotoGP, motorcycle-inspired, high-mounted exhaust pipes, also giving a lot of space for a massive diffuser that, in addition, or combined with the new front end, it is really increasing the downforce and the aerodynamical efficiency on the Aventador SVJ. It's just a beautiful sculpture.